Hello students, welcome to the lecture series on VLSI design. Myself Professor Meenakshi Thorsai, Department of ECE, KLS VTIT, Haryana. So in the previous lecture we discussed 4x4 barrel shifter where the 4-bit data word can be shifted in left or right direction using 4 control signals. In this lecture we'll study design of an ALU subsystem and the design of an adder. So ALU subsystem consists of an input-output port, 4-bit register, a 4-bit ALU and a 4-bit shifter with few control signals and a bus. Having designed the shifter in the previous lecture, now we'll design another subsystem of 4-bit data path, that is ALU. So heart of an ALU is the adder, and this adder circuit can be adapted to subtract and perform logical operations. 4-bit adder must take a sum of two 4-bit numbers, assuming the 4-bit inputs are presented in a parallel form, and the shifter circuit has been designed to accept and shift a 4-bit parallel sum from the ALU. So let's begin with design of an adder. Adder consists of 3 input variables, A subscript k, B subscript k, and a carry input ck-1, and 2 output variables, that is sum output S subscript k and carry output C subscript k, that is ck. And you are familiar with the truth table of full adder. So with these A, B, C values, these are the sum and carry output values we will be getting. So based on the truth table, if you plot a K-map, the expression of sum will be A XOR B XOR ck-1, that is carry input, and the carry output ck is AK into BK plus BK into ck-1 plus AK into ck-1, that is carry input. And based on the truth table, considering the sum column, if both A and B are equal, first two and last two combinations, if both A and B are equal, for sum column we can write it as sum output is equal to carry input. You can observe here sum is exactly equal to carry input when both A and B combinations are equal. If A and B is unequal, then sum is opposite of carry input. You can observe here for these combinations sum is exactly opposite of carry input. Similarly, if we consider carry output column, if A and B input is same, the carry output is either A value or B value, and when A and B are unequal, carry output is exactly equal to carry input. So these expressions are written based on the truth table, and using these expressions we can implement a adder circuit using pass transistor concept. So let us begin with sum circuit and then we'll implement the carry circuit. So when both A and B are equal, sum is equal to carry input. So when both are same, it means AB 0 0 and AB 1 1. So 0 0 can be written as A bar B bar. So when it is 0 0, sum output is equal to carry input. So the next combination, this is for 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So when both A and B are 0 0, it can be written as A bar B bar. So both A and B are same. If it is same, sum is Ck minus 1. So Ck minus 1 will pass to some variable. If A and B are different, that is 0 1 can be written as A bar, 1 can be written as Bk. If it is different, sum output is equal to Ck minus 1 bar, that is complement of carry input, will be passed to some variable. If A is 1, B is 0, this can be written as AK Bk bar. So if these are different, then sum is equal to complement of carry input. If A is 1, B is 1, this can be written as AK and Bk. Both are same, hence sum is equal to carry input. Coming to carry output circuit, if A is 0, B is 0, A is 0, B 1, A 1, B 0, A 1, B 1. So A 0, B 0 can be written as A bar B bar, A 0, B 1 can be written as A bar B, A 1, B 0 can be written as A B bar, 1 1 can be written as A and B. So for carry, if both A and B are same, then the carry output is either equal to A value or it is equal to B value. Anyone you can consider. So when input is 0 0, that is A bar B bar, carry output will have A value or B value. We have considered A here. When the input is 0 1, then the carry output is equal to carry input. Similarly, if A is 1 0, that is A B bar, alternating value, carry output is equal to carry input. If A is 1, B is 1, then carry output is equal to A value again. For carry, if both A and B are same, carry output is either A value or it will copy B value. If A and B are different, then the carry output is equal to carry input. So this is the adder circuit using pass transistor, but the drawback is, since these are pass transistors, we get degraded logic levels at the output. So the sum circuit in the previous slide can be added with a clock signal for buffering purpose. So now let us draw the stick diagram for a pass transistor based adder circuit. So first we'll draw it for carry and then we'll implement for sum section. So carry part. So we have 4 pass inputs. So one diffusion line is drawn which is connected to AK, the second diffusion line connected to AK, and 2 more diffusion lines connected to carry input. So AK is passed when the gate inputs are either it is A bar B bar or it is AB. So AK is passed. You can observe this gate is connected to AK and this polysilicon gate is connected to BK. It means if the gate input is A and B, then AK is passed to carry output variable. This part is implemented. Similarly, we implement this one next. So again, when the gate inputs are 0, 0, it is A bar, B bar, carry output is equal to AK again. So AK is passed if the gate input for a pass transistor is A bar and the other gate input is B bar, AK will be passed to carry output. The next two, carry input is passed if the input is 0, 1 or 1, 0. So carry input is passed to output variable. So carry input passed to output variable CK if the gate input for this transistor is A bar into B, that is 0, 1. Similarly, carry input is passed if we have the gate input as 1, that is A, and 0, B bar, so 1, 0. Coming to sum section, complement of carry input is passed if both A and B values are same, that is for 0, 0 and 1, 1 combination, sum output is equal to complement of carry input. So carry input NOT gate, so NOT gate output will be carry input bar, that is CK minus 1 bar. So complement of carry input is passed to some output variable if the gate input is, this is AK bar, BK bar. So 0, 0, complement of carry input is passed. Complement of carry input is passed if the combination is 1, 1. Therefore, here this will be AK and this will be BK. Similarly, for alternating A and B values, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, carry input is passed. So CK minus 1 is passed to some variable if the input is A bar into A bar B, that is 0, 1 plus 1, 0, that is A B bar. The only drawback with this circuit is, since it is a pass transistor logic, it generates degraded output logic levels. Thank you.